Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Microsoft Teams. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. Then you can go to Play Store. You can find the Microsoft Teams and you can uninstall your app. Then you can wait a moment to uninstall again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.